Want to add a visually stunning and engaging touch to your videos? Let's dive into Canva and create a captivating liquid ink text reveal animation. Start by opening Canva and clicking on Create a Design. Choose a video template that suits your needs. You can customize the size later. Head over to the Elements section on the left sidebar. Search for Abstract Liquid Ink Transitions and select the Videos filter. Choose a transition that complements your design's color scheme. I'll use a pre-selected one for efficiency. Double-click the transition to add it to your design and set it as the background. Go to the Text section and add a heading. Type your desired text, for example, "Welcome to Canva." Customize the font, size, and position to match your brand. I'll use the on-tone font. Change the text color to white so it blends with the background. To create the reveal effect, manually scroll through the video until your text disappears. Split the video at this point. Repeat this process until the text disappears again, creating multiple clips. Select the second clip and change the text, positioning it in the center. Do the same for the third clip, ensuring the text is centered. To avoid abrupt transitions, click between the clips and select a transition. I'll choose Dissolve. You can adjust the duration as needed. Apply this transition between all pages for a smooth flow. Congratulations! You've successfully created a captivating liquid ink text reveal animation in Canva. This technique can add a professional and eye-catching element to your videos. Experiment with different transitions, fonts, and colors to create unique animations that align with your brand. Share your creations and let me know how it goes.